And you have a carousel?
They have shops, restaurants, arcades, even a Starbucks. Hey, Chandler!
Hey!
100 million people are watching. Let's see if you make the shot.
This is crazy. Like, how can I use all these seats? I'm only one person.
And apparently, there's an entire floor for indoor shows and events.
What is this, bro? We got the whole ship to ourselves.
Obviously, I don't need this giant ship all to myself. So I wanted to share this experience with you guys, my subscribers.
I love MrBeast.
Subscribe to MrBeast. Holy cow, this boat. Actually pretty nice.
What's up, boys? Let's get it.
We're gonna go ride the carousel. Where'd Chandler go?